Good morning, welcome to the Windlass workshop here in Millbrook, Cornwall. We've got a windlass that's just been dropped off with us. This is the body here and various parts, as you can see, laid out here. Guessing it's around about, we're talking 1940s, 1950s, Simpson Lawrence windlass. And see the various parts laid out here. We've got a shaft here that will probably need to be replaced because there's some damage on the square end there, and also the bearing diameters are not particularly good, so we'll make a new shaft for, excuse me. We'll also make new bushes as well. And the main shaft it doesn't look too bad actually. The main shaft where the gypsy and where the main gear are located, that all looks pretty good. The bush is still reasonable fit there, so we'll probably keep all of that. And then those parts will just get blasted and painted and blasted and galvanized in the case of these plates here, which the owner has dropped off some material to make some new plates from, to replace these older fore and aft plates, which locate onto here with a gasket. The main job, we've removed this already from this would normally be located underneath the windlass inside here, riveted in position and sealed to form the bottom of an oil bath, and these would be the sides, so altogether that would form a sort of I was going to say an oil tight chamber, but unlikely to be oil tight, probably a bit of mist at least from that when it's in operation, I would think. But the problem with this one is it's rusted right through, so we've taken that out. We'll get a new one made up in the shop here, and then we'll rivet that back in position with some sealant, make up these new fore and aft plates from this material here, and then clean it all up and put it back together, get it functioning properly with a new shaft in it. I say this was a 40s or 50s design, I think somewhere around about there. It could be a little bit earlier than that, because the predecessor would have looked more like this. It would have been a heavier housing. This is an earlier design. In fact, this is one of our own deep blue designs. Excuse me. However, there would have been a sort of an intermediary between this sort of design that would have been produced by Simpson Lawrence maybe 100 years ago or so, and this design, which was a sort of heavier housing than this, a cast housing with the same sort of arrangement here, but flat flange faces to screw into, and quite a bit more robust actually than this, which was obviously a more sort of cost-saving design. So we'll keep you informed with how this restoration goes, and show you the finished product when we've completed it, and also take some film as we work our way through the job. So we'll see how we get on a little bit later. Thank you for watching.